My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
Okay, so we are going to be making our own highlighter from things that you already have at home. I know a lot of people are stuck home and are getting stir crazy, so I'm like, this is a fun thing that you can do to kind of pass the time. So what you're going to need is some sort of like empty sort of pan, and this was like a half contour, half highlight. I really like the contour shade, or I mean the highlight shade, and it broke, so I'm like, I'll just use that and then I can use the pan. So I put that powder in there, and then I'm also going to use this mica pigment I have in Pearl, because you know your girl is pale and I need a highlight that will pop on my very fair skin. So I am going to be adding some of that. Ooh, that'll be really pretty. Ooh, look at those two. So next thing, okay, you're gonna need some alcohol. I'm going to, this is a 3 ml pipette. Let's start off with, that's like 1.5, 2. No, I'm gonna need more than that. Let's do 3 of those. See how, you want it to be a kind of like paste consistency. I need to add some more. So here's what it looks like right now. I'm going to start putting it into here and see how much it fills up. So now you're gonna take, I'm out of paper towels, so I'm gonna try and do this with a tissue. But if you have paper towels, use that. Put it over and then kind of press it to remove any excess alcohol and just make it smooth. Okay, so I'm going to let that sit and dry, and we'll see how it comes out. Okay, so it is the next day and the highlighter has dried down now. It's not the prettiest thing, but let's swatch it and see. Oh my gosh, that looks so pretty. Oh. Look how gorgeous that is, and that is going to show up so well on my fair skin. Ooh, I would need to try this out, even though I just got done working all night. I was on the COVID-19 unit, and my patient got up to me around 11 p.m. and they died at 2:13 a.m. So, yeah. All right, let me put some of this baby on and see what it looks like. Hold on, let me put this light on. Yes. Watch out, Duckland Hill. The new highlighter mama in town. That is insanely beautiful. Too bad the rest of my makeup doesn't look like that. I have to wear that freaking mask all night. Messed up my makeup. And like, what is this? I did not have that before I went to work. So I don't know. But look at that highlight. Look at that plane. I was honestly not expecting it to come out that good. I'm really excited. All right, I hope you guys recreate this project and make your own highlighter and let me know how it turns out. I hope you enjoy this video. I will see you guys next time.